Still here.
Swap me. Every Saturday. Still
here.
Still here.
That was the Ferrite. Let's look at this little Neo.
Yeah. We'll put up to the show before the gates even open. Trunk lit up before
Neo and a Ferrite. Sick. Not sure what to do with these yet, but play with them.
That's the only brand I see. Real ones standing in the lot on a Saturday. Families and builders. Ain't about the fame today. Hood up, meet it out, let the numbers say it right. Been putting in the work since way before the spotlight. Swap meet mornings, concrete hot beneath the boots. Every dollar in the trunk, ain't no shortcuts to the truth. The judge walks past slow. He already knows by the way the air changes when the subwoofer blows. Ratings don't define it, the culture does. 916 in the Bay, always knew what love was. Not about the trophy, about the men who stayed. SMD, every system we ever made.
We don't talk about it,
we just show up.
we don't ask for nothing.
We already earned it.
This that SMD, feel it in the pavement. This that real build, no factory replacement. We the ones who stay when everybody left. Swap me Saturdays till there's nothing left.
SMD,
It's our culture, not a brand. Every sub we tune was built by our own hands. Feel that pressure, that's the point of the whole thing.
SMD certified.
Yeah, I know it's a little bit crazy. We got this little guy hooked up to SMD 8500.1. Don't do this. I'm doing it with that amp backed way down and at 4 ohms, just trying to get it moving. It's under control, but yeah, this speaker does not handle 8500 watts. Don't try it unless you want to see smoke and sparks. What I'm looking for right now is just clean movement, overall, how it's going to act when I hook it up to a little bit of beat. 89, 90 hertz is a lot closer to a little mid-bass driver than 250 on the last little drivers that I tested. So let's see what these do. We got the Gately audio speakers on the test bench. You saw me build those not too long ago. Hooked up to a 300.4. We got the Stinger head unit and some custom tracks that somebody made for me on AI. They're pretty cool. I don't have to worry about any kind of copyright, so we're just gonna play them and see what the speaker does.
Slow roll through the town in the trunk doing numbers. Every stoplight a demo, wake them up from their slumber. SMD on the dough. That ain't just a sticker built by Steve Mead. Every system gets sicker. 15-inch driver in the ported box.
So far, not too bad. No rattles or nothing.
40 to 60 where the pressure lives. That's the frequency only Oakland gives. Too short, knew it. E40 felt it. Mac Drake Ghost Ride. While the bass belt split it. This ain't about volume, it's about tuning right. Sub bass rolling like the fog off the bay at night. Sweep low to high and let the cabin shake. Every window telling stories that the meters make. Pull up slow, let the system speak first. SMD certified, quench that thirst. You can hear it coming 3 blocks away. That ain't noise, it's the town saying hey. SMD built different, built to stay. Golden up playing all day. Voice boil hot, but she ain't complaining. Port tune perfect for the notes it's containing. Crisp on the highs, so the snare cuts clean. Best separation that you ever seen. Kick drum punching between the sweeps. That's the golden zone where the demo creeps. Up from the basement where the stub sign is high. Ride with Steve Mead, take that bass for a ride. Pass it a charge, amp rack clean, every wire run tight. You know what I mean, it's the track you play when you're trying to show what the system's made of. Watch the meters blow. ride with Steve and me, take that bass for a ride. Pass it a charge, all amp rack clean, every wire run tight. You know what I mean? It's the track you play.
So far, I have not broken these yet. I pushed them pretty hard. Got them a little bit warm, but they didn't get stinky or anything like that. Now that I've seen them moving in person, now that I've ran them on the IMSG a little bit, I feel like I want to build a little miniature box for these. What do you guys think? Should I do the Neo or the Ferrite first? Leave a comment, and I'm out. And you can click the link in the description if you want to know where to get these little AI tracks. I know, AI, whatever. Someone made them, I like them. They're bumping.
When you at SMD certified build, something in your chest tells you this is real. Not a product placement, not a sponsored deal. Just a man in the garage with a mission and steel. Voice coil testimony, every home accounted for. SMD, that's what we all came here for.